How to show your caller ID on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to show your caller ID on iPhone. So let's begin. Before we start, make sure first that you have the latest version of the iOS. To do that, simply go to your settings, go to General, and click on Software Update. Once you're in software update, simply wait for it to load and make sure to download and install the latest iOS of your phone. Assuming that I have done that already, you may now go back to settings and scroll down and look for phone. And then, once you are here on your phone, what you're going to do is to scroll down again and go to Show My Caller ID. So click on Show My Caller ID and make sure to turn it on by clicking on the toggle button found on the rightmost part of the Show My Caller ID. To indicate that it has been already turned on, this button will be showing the green color like this one. And then, let's say for example that um, just like mine, it has been grayed out. What you're going to do is to simply follow the steps that I will be showing you. So the first step that I will be showing you is to reset your network settings. So to do that, you go to General once again and go to the bottom of the page and look for Transfer or Reset iPhone. Once you're right here, click on Reset and then click on Reset Network Settings and then try the Show My Caller ID button once again. And then, if it still doesn't work, make sure to contact Apple support or go to the nearest Apple or Mac Center for more information. So that's it. That's how you can show your caller ID on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.